Good afternoon. This is Clifford Sanders from ResponsibleJournalism.org, here to report on the latest results on the Las Vegas, Nevada primaries. It seems that the dirtiest player in politics, Hillary Clinton, has obtained a lead over Democratic contender Barack Obama. How did she obtain that? She obtained it through dirty politics. I decided that I would not post this until I would see if she had kept her word from the last debate when she said she would abstain from using dirty politics and politricks. Apparently, she has decided that she would solicit the cooperation of other people to work on her behalf, a la Magic Johnson. Now, Magic Johnson decided that he would make the claim that Obama is a rookie and that he would not trust a rookie with running our country. Oh, I'm glad the Los Angeles Lakers decided they would not have that same attitude with you, Magic. After all, in your rookie season, when Kareem Abdul-Jabbar went down injured, they decided to put you in the game. In the finals, no doubt, of the NBA Championship Series. Apparently, you being a rookie did not make any difference because you performed real well. Fast forward to 2008, Barack Obama, which you call a rookie. Is there any reason why Mr. Obama should not be given the same benefit of the doubt or consideration as you, Mr. Magic? Or is it because you sold your vote again to Miss Hillary, who throws rocks and hides her hand? I don't know about you, but I'm tired of seeing her whoremongering husband, who, after he gets through smoking his marijuana and not inhaling, coming forward to speak on her behalf and no doubt trashing Obama in the process. This time in Nevada, the way they won was they accused Obama of playing dirty politics by allowing special voting precincts in the casinos. However, they forgot to tell the public that last year the entire Democratic Party voted on it and didn't have a problem with it. The Democratic National Committee signed off on it. Now that the largest union in Nevada of 60,000 members decided to endorse Obama, now all of a sudden she had some other friends, look at the relation, to file a lawsuit and drag Obama in court and publicize it to make it look like he had something to hide or that he was engaging in something underhanded. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of Hillary Clinton and her politricks. She's one of the dirtiest women in politics. She's one of the dirtiest politicians ever. She showed her true colors, and I'm tired of it. She claims that she's one of the most experienced. Well, if you're the most experienced, then I'm going to end up voting Republican or not vote at all if you obtain the nomination. Think about this, America. Her husband was beneficial in passing NAFTA, which outsourced our jobs. He passed 3 Strikes You're Out, which locked up so many people in our criminal justice system that we're paying for to the tune of $22,000 a month to house them. How about the Omnibus Crime Bill, who locked the people up as well? Now, I don't know about you, but if she wanted to have integrity, she would have gotten in his ear and told him that's not right. It will impact too many people and it will lose too many jobs. But what did she do? She sat by quietly while all of this legislation was passed. So tell me, what type of president would Miss Hillary be? She would be one of the dirtiest politicians ever. You think Bush was bad? Put her in office and see what happens. This is Clifford Sanders, ResponsibleJournalism.org, saying to America, think for yourself.